Before operating the spray machine, we also need to prepare the following protective equipment. First, let me introduce the protective isolation suit. So, why do we wear this protective isolation suit? It is mainly to prevent poisonous gas or high-temperature operations that can cause burns and scalds to the skin during the operation. When we are working, we must wear protective gloves or insulated one. And wear this kind of silicone goggles. These goggles can effectively protect your eyes from sunburns or scalds caused by toxic gases, or the splashes that may fly out during the operation. Can effectively protect our eyes. And finally, we need to wear this gas mask. This gas mask can protect your respiratory tract. During the operation, must wear it tightly during the operation. First, let me introduce. This is a spray machine produced by our factory. Its model is EA695S. It is also our best-selling and most conventional spray machine. Next, I will introduce the standard configuration of this machine. This machine comes with a 1/4 15-meter high-pressure hose, a 50 centimeters extension rod, a bottle of machine-specific lubricating oil, a 519 nozzle, a spray gun, and its model is SG3. And there are also wrenches required for starting and stopping. Let's first introduce the correct and incorrect installation of spray gun and spray tip. Before installing the spray gun and spray tip, first, make sure the switch of the spray gun, the protection switch, is in the closed position so that it can't be pressed. When installing the spray tip to the spray gun, make sure your wrist is not facing the spray tip to avoid injury. This is the correct installation method. Insert it easily and freely like this. Lock it tightly and the installation is done. The high pressure of this machine can penetrate the skin anytime. Hands cannot be directly in front of the spray tip. Now I will demonstrate the installation steps for hoses and machines. First, we take the joint of the hose, align it at this discharge port of the machine. Screw it in. Lock the interface of the discharge port with a wrench, then apply force in a crosswise manner to ensure the connection is tightened. This is correct. The incorrect one is to fix it with a single hand. Let's demonstrate the correct installation of spray gun and hose. First, tighten it manually. And fix it with wrenches. The correct way is to use a wrench holds the gun in place. Secure the hose with another wrench. And lock them with force on both sides. Make sure the gun and hose are locked. Under normal circumstances, when pausing the work, all the work has been completed. The spray gun and spray tip should not be aimed at people. Another is to make sure the safety switch of the spray gun should be turned on. This is the safety switch, turn it on like this. Then the spray gun will stay in a safe state. Before operating the machine, we should ensure that all the hoses are placed in the bucket first. If the bucket is made of metal, it must be fully in contact with the ground. Do not put paper and other items under the metal bucket. Then we check the machine and ensure it is in the power off state. Then adjust the pressure knob to the minimum. And the return valve is in the closed state. First, let's introduce this bull socket with 1.5 square meters cable. This small machine needs to be equipped with ground wire switch socket. The cable of the socket needs to be more than 1.5 square meters. Our machine is 220 volts. Insert the 3-hole grounding plug into this bull socket. Then turn on its switch. Then the plug-in process is done. First, before we start the machine, you also need to lubricate the machine. Find the filling port of this machine. Spray 2 or 3 times at this filling port. Lubricating oil must be filled before starting work. Reduce internal seal wear. Extend the service life of the pump body. After the machine is added with lubricating oil, and we're going to go through the whole startup operation. First, find this, the power button of this machine. Turn the machine on. Then it will show the boot status here. Then we open the return valve. And then increase the pressure of the machine. Liquid will flow out of the return hose. The return flow time is 30 to 60 seconds. Then close the return valve. Once the pressure has built up, the machine is ready to start working. Next, let's explain the complete steps of pressure relief and shutdown of the machine. After the work is finished, we need to power off the machine first. We turn off the power first. Then we trigger the spray gun to start pressure relief work. Completely release the residual pressure gas. And that drains the gas out of the machine. Then open the return valve. Then turn the pressure knob to the minimum. And that completes the pressure relief operation. Let's now demonstrate the complete process of cleaning. The correct steps and process of the cleaning of this machine. First, we need to prepare 2 buckets. One is a waste bucket. One is a water bucket or solvent bucket. Whether to use water or solvent, it mainly depends on the paint you use. If it is water-based paint, we just prepare clean water. Now we turn on the machine normally. Then open the return valve. and then pressurize it. Put this spray gun in the waste bucket. The spray gun should be close to the paint bucket. Continue to pull the trigger and rinse until the spray gun flows clear liquid. If clean water comes out, it means that all our hoses, machines, have been completely cleaned. Then turn off the machine. Shut down and relieve pressure. Open return valve. Set the pressure knob to the minimum. Disconnect the power. This completes our entire cleaning operation.